Hello, grade 2. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Today is still a wonderful day. Tuesday, August 17, 2021, week 7. Our subject today is science. So please get your science book and open on page 54. Let's start. What did we remember last week? Do you still remember? Plants need soil. And what else do plants need? Sunlight from the sun. And water. Plants need to drink too. And the last one? Yes, plants need oxygen so they can live and breathe and grow. They need air. Now, open your book on page 54 and let us answer. We are going to write the word that will complete the sentence. 1. We have the sunlight. Plants use it as an energy source for making, yes, food. Light will make the plants make photosynthesis. It is the process from the light absorbing by the plants to make food. Next, we have nutrients. Water will break down the nutrients in the soil. So plants need water so they can drink the nutrients from the soil. And number 3, plants use oxygen for breathing. Plants use carbon dioxide for making food. And that is air. Plants need air to make food. And last, they make plants grow quickly. What is this? Nutrients, or we can also write fertilizers. Now, on page 55, let us answer. Which picture has been covered by a rock for a long time? There is a big rock that is in front of the plants. So, the plants cannot get sunlight. So, if there is no sunlight, the plants will, yes, it will not grow and live long. They will die. And what plant is that? It's picture 1, because there is no sunlight. So picture 1 is covered by rock, so no sunlight to make food. Plant will die. Now, look at the picture. Read and answer the questions. Desert plants. That is an example of a desert plant. A cactus. Very, what? It has a pointed, sharp, needle-like body. So they live in dry places. So some desert plants spread out their roots so they can take in and store water better. Other desert plants have no roots, so they can take in water deep down the ground. So some desert plants have deep roots. Deep roots, it means big and long roots down the ground, so they can get the water below. Now, let us answer question number 1. From the above, from the picture, is water important for plants to grow? Like for picture 1? Yes, right? Water is important because it will help plant make food so they can live. What about number 2? What other things do plants need to grow? Yes, they need light, water, air, and nutrients, the soil. And we are finished with our exercise. But we have some more. This is a picture of a chili plant. Do you like chilies? It is very spicy. But how can we grow a chili plant? We need soil. What else? Water, sunlight, and air, so that we can plant and grow a chili plant. Now, on page 56, please go to page 56. Here is a picture of a chili plant. What will happen if the soil does not have enough water? So if there is no water in the soil, do you think the plant will grow? Yes, if there is no nutrients, no soil, no food for the plant, then it will not grow and live long. So the soil should be just right. It should be soft, a little bit wet, but not too wet and not too dry. It should be just okay. For number 2, soil should have food or nutrients, sunlight, but not too much sun, not too much water, not too much heat. It's just right, just enough, so they can survive and grow. So just enough. Now, let's go to the last one. Number 3. How is light important to grow chili? Can you guess? Yes, light is very important because light is an important source of energy that plants need to grow. Without light, they cannot make photosynthesis, the process to make food. Also, they cannot breathe. So, you need sunlight so that you can work for energy. If no energy, you cannot drink, make food, or breathe. That's why light is very important. Now, on page 57, Lisa would like to make an experiment. She wants to know if she will put a mung bean inside a test tube or bottle or a jar will it grow? Let's find out. This is an example of a mung bean. We eat this. This is delicious. Now, Lisa will put it inside a test tube. Will it grow? Lisa wants to know if water will help the mung bean. Now, number 2. After putting the mung bean inside the test tube with wet cotton, let's see if it will grow. Yes, the mung bean will grow after 5 days or 1 week, or maybe 10 days. It will grow inside the jar if there is little water or wet cotton or wet tissue. So the answer is, for number 2, yes, water is very important. It will help the mung bean to multiply and grow. And we finished our topic today. Bye-bye. I'll see you again next week.